Do the honors.
We got this MEI here to ride.
Let's see if it does the voice. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes it's turned off.
Oh, it has these type of innovation.
Yeah, it's weird.
I want to hear the motor.
Alright. Chimes are even louder than the motor.
Does this thing have the reflex?
I might. It's a 2008 model. It's not doing the voice. It was turned off for like maybe like a 9-month period and turned back on.
Your certificate right there.
6,500 pound capacity.
I want to take this thing for another ride.
Oh yeah, 100%. GL door equipment. Yeah, I don't think it has.
You can push it this time.
I don't think it has reflex. It takes too long on the way down. Why is one still lit up?
It's sticky. There you
Oh,
go.
it is.
Who's this guy?
Who's that?
I don't know. Your local vanity nerd?
Oh. No. Yeah, it doesn't have reflex.
Why does it stop like that?
I don't know. I actually have that exact limit switch at home. That exact one, Sun's model.
Where's this one?
Yeah, Sun's.
I'm
I
gonna get
think.
my cab here. And there's security.
Wonderful.
Your fixtures.
Is that wired? These are wired in?
Innovation Bruiser.
I think these are wired in. Is that what it said?
Where's your ADA phone? Capacity 6,500 pounds.
You want to go for one more and end it too?
Let's get off here.
Alright. Where's the button?
Background switch out. There she goes.